Ladies and gentlemen, I have the sniffles. It's not the Rona. I'm not super ill, but I'm coming down with something, and it's unfortunate. Nevertheless, we are prevailing. We are coming back with a brand new video today. It is featuring her car because we're washing her car. Not only are we washing it, we are washing it for the first time ever after 4,000 miles. Why? I don't know. It is filthy. It is disgusting. Hopefully, you guys get a grasp of how filthy it is. Because it's wet out, we don't have a full kind of before and after of how filthy and dirty the car is because everything's wet, kind of like, I don't know, dampens the effect of the nastiness. But nevertheless, we are washing it for the first time today. Before we get into it, hit that subscribe button. It's totally free. So is hitting the like button, which promotes my video to other people like yourselves. So thank you very much in advance for doing that. Let's get into the wash process, shall we?
What's it do?
Favorite detailing tool in the arsenal. Wheel and barrel cleaner brush. And that's what we're starting right now. Because that is always step one for filthy, disgusting cars. We got some crazy wind noise, but this is step one. Ladies and gents, forgive me because I have the sniffles, but you probably saw all the hard work that went into these two F150's. Beautiful black paint. Clean, finally very clean. We also hit both these cars with the Turtle X hybrid ceramic spray. As you guys know, we did a full review on my channel of that one product, so if you missed it, top right corner. That is definitely my favorite detailing product to use right now, just because it is so much easier than wax. I love doing black and white cars because white just looks so clean and black looks so shiny like a mirror. This Turtle X hybrid ceramic is awesome. As you guys saw the before and after with the water beading and water sheeting, day and night difference. I just hit it with the water, so there's a bit of water still on the windshield. It's not dirty, I promise. Long day today in the cold. I don't even know how cold it is. I'm wearing like 6 layers and I've been moving around a lot, so it looks awesome. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Show me some love for detailing out in the cold like a psychopath. Hit like on the video. It helps promote the video to other people like yourselves browsing detailing content. Until next time, guys, I'm gonna hit you with a montage. We're getting the drone out. Beautiful fall colors today. And yeah, we'll see you in the next video. Adios.